Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. This video is going to provide you with a comprehensive introduction to the installation and configuration procedures of GrowBoost X. GrowBoost X is a power regulator that can automatically adjust its power output according to resistive loads via wireless commands. It can work with the Shine WLAN X2 to achieve energy adjustment via either communication with the server or local communication with GroSense. GrowBoost X can also achieve energy adjustment by communicating with the GroHomeManager-X via RF signal. Before installing the GrowBoost X on wall, make sure that select a suitable location per the installation diagram. Maintain adequate clearance around the device. Add a protective cover for environmental resistance. The following tools are necessary for installation. Please unbox the product and check the contents, including all accessories, to ensure everything is present and complete. Quick installation guide. GrowBoost X antenna, screws, multi-pin terminals, PT1000 temperature sensor. Shine WLAN X2 data logger is necessary if you want to connect GrowBoost X with the Growatt online server. Install the wall-mounted bracket by positioning it, drilling 3 marked screw holes, inserting anchors, and securing it with tightened screws. It is recommended to position the unit first, then disassemble the GrowBoost X before mounting it on the wall. Next part is the GrowBoost X appearance and interface introduction. Indicator lights, buttons, power cord terminal, load wire terminal, signal wire terminal, USB terminal, which is used to connect with data logger. Loosen and remove the screws on the waterproof cover. Feed the cables through the waterproof joints of the cover. The input cable is marked as AC in and the output cable as out. Antenna and temperature sensor RS485 cables are externally labeled. The wire harness connects to the 3 terminals, securing them with screws. The 5-pin 3-phase input terminal is for power input, and 3-pin output terminal is for loads. And the 3-pin RS485 and 12 VDC terminals are for future communication applications. Ensure proper alignment of the holes when attaching to the terminals to avoid incorrect connections. The varying load configurations correspond to different wiring options. Customers can connect the GrowBoost X to a single-phase load, 2 single-phase loads, 3 single-phase loads, a 3-phase load, or a combination of a single-phase and a 3-phase load. This video demonstrates the installation process using a 3-phase load as an example. If the immersion heater lacks a temperature sensor, the GrowBoost X will need to rely on the PT1000 temperature sensors. For a 3-phase load, the T2 terminal of the PT1000 needs to be connected. Connect the wire to the male terminals, then attach it to the corresponding female sockets for input, output, temperature sensor, antenna, and USB. Secure the connections by tightening the screws on both sides of each terminal. Once the above connections are installed, attach the waterproof cover, securing each foot with screws as shown below. Align the holes on the back of the GrowBoost X with the fixed screws on the wall and hang it up. Please ensure that the device is securely mounted and will not loosen. Open the waterproof cover and connect the Shine WLAN X2 to the USB port of the GrowBoost X. Register an account. Add plant and fill in plant information. Scan the QR of the data logger. Input Wi-Fi username and password. Network configuration is completed after successfully connecting to the server.